Hey guys, welcome. Today, guess what? We are going to go grocery shopping. Okay, so as you can see, I only have 20% left on my phone. I didn't charge it. I went to go get my nails did, and I didn't charge my phone. So all right, so the thing is, here is my grocery list here. We are trying to stick with a $130 budget. So my budget on my phone, where I kind of did like my amounts of everything, that how much it's going to cost, it came up to $134, but I do have some Kroger's coupons, so we'll see if that will get me under the $130 that I am budgeting. All right guys, so let's go ahead, let's go. So I probably didn't pick a good day because it looks like it is super busy in here, so we'll see how it goes. Here I go again, looking at the patio stuff, knowing that it's going to be too much for my budget and I don't need no more patio stuff. Oh, look at the swing set is $132. This is a display. Wow. There it goes, y'all. I don't think I need this on my deck though. All right, let's get out of here. I need to hurry up and go grocery shopping so I can go home. It's hot. So just my luck, I got the noisiest basket ever. That's how it always happens. Okay, so let me get to the right aisle so we can start really grocery shopping. This basket is going to make me crazy. Okay, so this is the list that we are working with. I'm already in the frozen aisle, so hopefully I'll get through pretty quick because I'm supposed to get the frozen stuff later, but I didn't already came down this aisle, so I'm not coming back over here. You know what I'm saying? It's like, little buddy will have these for breakfast. Alright, so I think this is all we need for the frozen aisle. I told you guys it's super packed in here. I need to get my Bliss creamer, so I thought it was out, but it's not. Only a couple left. Okay, so I'm on the aisle with the Deer Park Roto. Last time it was right here, but I don't see it anymore. So I think I'm gonna have to go to the end cap to get my Deer Park. This is gonna take longer than I thought. All right, let's go back over here. This basket is really getting to me, but I think I can't get through this little line here. Hold on, guys. Let me. Hi, please. But I think the Deer Park was on the end cap, so we're gonna check that. I'm not filling this basket like Okay, so the coupon I had was for Deer Park spring loader. I don't want any spring loader. I just want the regular Deer Park. That's it. All right, so I ended up getting this. So that's what I got. So let's move on. No spring loader for me. Okay, so next let's look for the soda. The soda is buy two, get two free. Y'all, soda is almost empty. Look at this. Down. So I kind of want cherry Coke, but they only have one cherry Coke left, so I guess I'll get this, and then I'll need a Dr. Pepper, and I like to keep ginger ale at the house also. Okay, changed my mind on some of them. So I got Dr. Pepper, cherry Coke, ginger ale, and Fanta. I told you guys this place is super busy. Super busy. Okay, so you can barely move in here and eat Nathan hot dogs. So this is what I got. I got the Lunchables and then I got the bologna. Okay, so I seriously think I picked the wrong time to come because this place is crazy. Yeah, crazy. All right, let's keep going though. We're almost done. Okay, so I would definitely show you guys everything that I got when I get to the house, because I don't want to be sitting in front of somebody's way if they're trying to grocery shop and get out of here and I'm sitting here trying to record. So, but I will like gradually show you guys, because like I said, it is crazy packed than the last time I came in here, so we'll try to make it as best as we can. All right, guys, so we are over here with the produce. All right, guys, we're gonna grab some bananas. I'm not really good at picking bananas. Okay, so we have our green onions in our bag, and then I got my tomatoes. So I got my green onions, and well, at least this side cleared out a bit. I just gotta find a bag for my onions real quick. Alright guys, it is getting too packed in here for me, so I'm just gonna grab what I need and show you guys later. Alright, guess what guys, I am done, and my phone is starting to die. So let's go ahead to check out. I'm beat. Alright guys, so this is my groceries. All of them. Y'all, I'm tired. I'm tired. Oh my gosh, it was so many people in there. It was just like, I just want to get out of everybody's way. I don't want to be like, hey, this guy's filming, because I know they probably want to go home because tomorrow starts a new week. It's a new Monday. So I am going to head home, and I'm going to show you guys setup and show you guys exactly all the things that I got. I did go over budget, but I will let you know as soon as I get to the house. All right, let's roll. All right guys, so this is my final total. So let's see, the balance was $131.61, and I only had $130, so I had to use my buffer for $1.60. Let's zoom in. 61 cents. I had a total of 41 items. My manufacturer coupons was $5.25, and let's see what else we got. Kroger savings was $49.32. Total coupons $54.57. So a total savings of 29%. And then my fuel points earned today was 122. Total average fuel points is 161. All right, so let's see what we got. Okay, so I got some Welch fruit snacks for Aiden for his lunch. 2 things of Gatorades had coupons. 2 things of bread. We go through a lot of bread, which I did have a coupon. Cheese, coupon. Hot dog, I had a coupon for that. Bologna had a coupon. Miller Mott's. What am I talking about? Mott's applesauce. My gosh, this is for Aiden's lunch. Didn't have a coupon, but that was on sale. This right here, the Cobana. I kept saying Cocobana. Cobana is almond cocoa loco. That I had a coupon, and then that was like 10 for 10. But make sure you always check the date, because sometimes the dates can be expired. We got little buddy some waffles for the morning, and then I had the Yo Crunch M&Ms. He put this in his lunch, y'all know. And then we got mac and cheese. We're just trying these out because this is the first time I've ever seen that. So since I didn't get the Melody potatoes, I just swapped it out with this. Got bottled water, had a coupon for that. Natural Bliss, didn't have a coupon for that, but it was on sale. Biscuits, we had a coupon for these. And then I got some salsa, and then tomatoes, and then I love green onions on tacos. Mission Street Tacos, these things are so good. They're tiny, but they're good. Check the date on these too. We got some organic bananas. We got some living lettuce. This stuff lasts forever. It's like, hold on, living lettuce right there. All right, so then I got some sour cream and onions. These had a coupon for that. Little Bites, y'all know this is Little Buddy's, this is jam, and I had a coupon for those, and those were on sale too. Then we got some eggs. The eggs, remember I had a free coupon for these, so these were totally free. I think they were like $3.99, but they took off $3.99. All right, so these right here were on sale. Little Buddy like religiously used these in his lunchbox. Sometimes he gets a bologna sandwich, so that's why I had to make sure we get some bologna. So I usually try to get 5 for the week, but we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yep, I got 5, so I try to get 5 every week. And we have sodas, which was buy 2, get 2 free. So I got Dr. Pepper, I got Coca-Cola, Cherry Coke. I love Cherry Coke. Fanta, a little bit, I mean, which you don't need to be drinking sodas, but usually he drink lemonade, but he loves this every now and then. And then I got ginger ale, because it's always good to have ginger ale at the house, because you never know when your stomach might be tripping. You know what I mean? All right, guys, so we are finally done with our haul. So hopefully this will help you guys, and make sure that you go onto if you have Kroger's, go to the Kroger's app or your store's app and check out to see if they have like some manufacturer coupons you can check, or if they have like offers, buy 2, get 2 free, buy 1, get 1 free. So just pretty much check that out. So thank you guys so much for chilling with me. Hey, I love doing these videos. They are super fun. And my phone was on 20%, but guess what? I made it to the end of the video. All right, guys. Until next time, guys. Peace.